puppy.
That's all.
There we go.
Oh, nice. Oh.
The cook is my mother, not me.
Oh.
I can prepare.
My mother loved dog. Let me see. I've got that. So that cup is his that he used before.
This one?
And then that purple one is new, but it's for you because I think I put yours in the dishwasher.
Okay. What's the other one? I do coconut. I can do coconut.
Oh, coconut milk's good.
Yeah. I do coconut. I do oat. I try to stay away from soy.
So remember that video that I sent you, sir, the girl and the voice? Can we do shit like that?
Yeah, I have to watch it again. What are you drinking?
Coffee. Just to fill everybody in, so it took me about almost 2 years to break down to do pain management because I kind of felt like I was giving up on trying to get better, and I felt like it was a lot of things, but it's, I guess not. It's all about perspective, but I was literally living in like a 10 for 2 years, and the pain patch, basically, it's a 24-hour, every hour, it's a slow release, and I have to keep track. Sam, shush. But this patch basically brings my pain from a 10 down to about a 7.5. We'll explain this in a minute.
Okay.
So we are finishing our vision boards, and we basically, this is what I've been doing for years and years and years, is we buy a frame from like Michael's. It didn't look like these were gonna actually go in at all. Why is this so difficult? Because there's plywood in a vision board. It's not a typical, like, you know, frame. So.
Price you pay to have your visions come true.
Exactly. Nothing
It's easy.
is easy. Yay! That's perfect.
Rachel's vision.
Little corner
Cool.
piece.
Well, and like there's like a little bit up here, but like you could do more collage, or you could literally do flowers, or a ribbon, or string, or so many things.
Yeah.
I did this at the beginning of 2015, and we were still in the Winter Park yoga studio. So the yoga shala was still in Winter Park, but I knew I wanted to move. And at that point, my travel teaching career was definitely in full swing, but there was a lot I wanted to do. So bottom line being, this year, let's see, I was telling them this is like the third time I'm seeing this, so I clearly have to get on a hot air balloon. However, I have now been to Amsterdam, and literally traveled so much more since then. I've flown first class to Greece, from India for the first time in my life, like an actual really long flight first class. That has happened. Been on some boats now. Galapagos Islands, I did a retreat there and it was sold out. We moved the yoga shala to a location in College Park. Money is always still a work in progress, for sure. And then it's always focused on Caden and family. But this was one that I feel like I'm gonna definitely manifested a lot of. However, what I recognized is I tended to put a lot of pictures, like of me and Caden, which is great. But that's kind of the here, now, present. And so that's why this year I literally had a bunch of pictures set aside of me and Caden, but I decided not to put them on there because it almost limited. I'm realizing the pictures of me or pictures of Caden or something almost limits my vision. It is dirty, do not judge my closet. Okay. This is the very first. We should have done this first. This is not the very first vision board, but the first one that I've got on this fancy board. This one, I really don't remember. It was before Kwong and I were married. So here is, Nissa, which you guys will learn a lot more about. This is actually, so here you can see the evolution of our logo. But even before this, I'll show you guys eventually an evolution. So these are Karuna Reiki symbols. Shanti, Halu, Om, peace, harmony, yoga. And that was initially the name of the company and kind of evolved these products that I love to design and create. This is Rocky's Russian Carnivorium, which Stuart gets to come to India with me, we'll actually get to video that in person. Oh my God, I'm so excited. We should do this like all the time because I have like all these exercises. I used to do monthly journaling workshops and stuff, and then I had like thousands of ideas for other things I wanted to do. In a moment, I'm going to read out a list of words. I want you to write down all the ones that speak to you. Inattentive, indecisive, indifferent, invisible, it's too late. Balanced, secure, and invincible. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Alert, alive, assured, aware. Let's put self in front of that. Self-aware. Oh God. I verbally manifest everything I want to make my dreams come true. Caden and Nicholas keep my journal safe. A weekly segment called Essential Oil Spotlight. This is a weekly segment called Essential Oil Spotlight. This is a weekly segment called Essential Oil Spotlight.
I hate that.
Today we're spotlighting lavender. So lavender oil is steam distilled. Flowers are typically steam distilled in the distillation process, which is important to know. And therapeutic grade A quality essential oil, not all bottles are created equal, but we won't go there today. But this is one ingredient only, lavender flowers. Lavender oil is amazing for sleep. Any kind of anxiety or depression or frustration or anger, it's just a very good emotional support. It's very grounding. It's amazing for your skin. So whether you have sunburn or a open wound or a bug bite or acne, or rosacea, or any kind of skin inflammation. It's amazing for inflammation. It's amazing for softening the skin. With Young Living, they have a vitality line, and that vitality line of oils are oils that are ingestible. That's a GRAHA certification, means that they're regarded as safe to ingest. And lavender is one of those oils. So you can make lavender tea. I make this amazing almond milk and add lavender oil to it. There's just so many things that it's endless. If you wanna get started with essential oils, I'm gonna put a link in the description below for a starter pack that I really like that comes with Young Living's lavender and 11 other awesome essential everyday oils, as well as a diffuser and a few other goodies. Thanks for watching today's vlog.
I know, I know, it's that.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button, comment, and really subscribe, please.
Good.